on the board up here, right over here on the top. Can someone read that for us nice and loud?
Winter is the best season.
Okay, winter is the best season. Then underneath I have agree and disagree. Okay, all you need to do is take out a pencil. I'm going to give you a sticky note, and you're going to write your name on the sticky note. Okay, so write your name on the sticky note.
I'm done.
Victor? Okay, write your name on the sticky note.
First and last or just first?
You can do just first, that's fine. Good question. Okay, so why don't you, does everybody have their name on there? Okay, once you have that, why don't you come up, and you're gonna either put your name on agree, so that means you would agree that winter is the best season. Okay, we're talking about fall, spring, winter, and summer, okay? So if you agree with that winter is the best season, go ahead and put it up there. If you disagree, you think another season is the best, put it on the disagree side.
I see it.
So you're right in the middle?
Yeah, sorry. Dang, big thing. That's just Hades.
Michael, you're in the middle? Okay, what's your reason? Well, you just, I mean, you like them both, is that? Okay, that's fine. Okay, so what do you notice about your class?
Half and half.
More people like
Wait, no,
agree.
more like winter.
How many disagrees do we
Two.
have? We're gonna say 2, okay? And a half, there you go. And how many agrees?
4
4.
and a half.
So what's the conclusion we can make in this class? Raise your hand, remember to raise your hand.
This class mostly likes winter.
Yep, this class mostly likes winter, very good. So, when we look at, we talked about it a little bit in the noticing your neighbor and how everybody's different, right? Can you, sometimes you believe in different things, right? And you might want to sometimes convince your friend or your classmate of something different, right? Okay, if Michael would want to, if Cassandra would want to get Michael to pick one or the other, she can kind of make an argument, right? What might you say to him to say, Cassandra, you picked agree? What might you say to Michael to, I don't want to say the word, make an argument that summer's better than winter? Why do you like summer better? Swimming, camping, what else? How would you, did you pick, you like summer better, Raul?
Yeah.
Okay, how would you convince Michael to pick one way or the other? Maybe, probably summer is better.
More video games?
Did you do that in the winter?
Do that both.
Nah,
Video games?
not me. I
No?
play football today.
But most people could play video games in the winter. What would be a good argument? Raise your hand, okay? No school? Okay,
Some-
so,
how from
well, how do you say your name?
Yeah,
Yahir. Yahir? Okay.
Yahir.
So, how do you say it? Jai. Okay. So you said that there's no school, so that would be a good argument for Michael if you're trying to get him to go one side or the other. Okay, Victor.
Hibernate.
You can hibernate.
No, that's for animals.
Oh.
You mean in the winter? What did you pick?
I don't know beats.
You picked agree? Okay. How would you make an argument to have Michael move over to summer? What's best about summer for you? Do you eat food? Do you eat in the winter?
Yes.
Okay, so is that a good
Do that in
argument?
both.
Okay, you want to try to come up with something that's gonna make him pick summer. All right. How about, well, and you know what? Cassandra had the best, I think, argument. Would you guys agree?
Yeah.
She said you can swim and go camping. Now, in the winter, I suppose you could, you know, drill a hole and jump in the water, but are you gonna do that? And you
I
can go
will.
camping. Okay, so Cassandra has kind of the best argument.
I got one.
You got one, Victor?
Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
That was mine.
What's your example?
You can go green. You can go like skiing, like with those skis on the snow.
Oh, on cross country in winter?
Just those things. You can like snowboard or something.
That's in the summer.
Okay. So is it, I think cross country, is that what you're talking about? Cross country skiing in the winter?
No, cross country, like just for fun. Just for fun.
Just for fun? Okay. So yeah, and definitely people, if some people like winter, some people like summer. If you like to snowmobile and sled and all that kind of stuff, or ice fish, then you might like when winter comes around. But if you don't enjoy that, you don't like the icy roads and the cold and all that, you may like summer. If you have a comment, just remember, just be respectful to raise your hand, okay? You guys are doing awesome, okay? Any other comments about summer or winter? Have we convinced you, Michael? One way or the other?
I'll
No.
go with
And you don't have to, but I just want to make, you know, if you,
my decision.
it's your decision, yes. So you want to stay in the middle?
Nah, I'll go with the green.
Agree? Okay.
Oh
Yeah, all right.
Take it a half off.
So, we got 5 over here, and
2.
2. All right, so what did we just do to Michael?
Convince them.
Convince is a good word, and I'm looking for a specific word. Okay, so we did convince him. What else did we, it's another word. Well, how did you guys persuade? Very good. So we
The dark side.
persuaded Michael
To be the dark side.
to move over to agree, okay? So, I'm gonna write that word down here too.
Okay.
So, when we try to persuade somebody, we try to put our views of how we feel about something, place them on them. Is it okay to do that? Is it, if they're not gonna change their mind, would we get down on Michael if he decided to stay in the middle or pick winter?
No.
It's his choice. He said it before. It's his choice, right? All right. So, this time, what you're going to do is we are going to, so I'll explain. We're going to play another game, and I'm going to put you in probably 3 groups. You're going to work together with your team. Sometimes when you win, or we're going to kind of try and present to the class an argument, and we're going to try and convince, we're going to have maybe, if either one of you don't mind helping me be the judge on who persuaded us the best. Okay? I will have a small reward. Normally if I was in the classroom, I would do something like extra iPad time or extra outside time, but being that I won't be here, you know, the rest of the summer, I will bring probably I won't be here Tuesday, Wednesday, a small reward for the group that persuades us. Will be the judges on persuades us. So here's the scenario. You ready? You're gonna. In a second, I'm gonna put you in partners. You are gonna try and convince. What's your name?
Mr. Straight.
Mr.
Mr.
What?
Strike, yeah.
Mr. What?
Strike.
Mr. Strike,
Miss Crutch.
Ms. Kretsch, and myself. Between you and your group members, why you guys should earn the reward that I'm going to be bringing in. I'm not going to tell you what it is, okay? So I'm going to leave it kind of wide open, but you can use examples, you know, such as, you know, why you're what are reasons you earn rewards in anything? A trophy, your parents let you stay up a little bit later, or
I do it.
how do you earn a reward? Raise your hand, Victor.
Doing chores.
Okay, did you guys hear Victor?
Yeah.
Okay, what did he say?
Doing chores.
Okay, so Victor, if you do a chore, what kind of reward do you get? Nothing?
Saves.
Okay, well, it's a good example, but I think, you know, for my kids,
I did love.
you get what, love? Okay, that's a reward. Love can be a reward, right?
Yes.
Okay, does it have to be something physical?
Yeah, last time we cleaned up yard and they only gave me $1.
Only? My kids have to clean up the yard and they don't get they don't get anything. So you're lucky
I
in
have to think
my
first,
opinion.
and then
Okay.
do it.
So let's break you up into, and what you're gonna do with your, let's see, 1, 2, you're actually gonna do, it's gonna be 2 groups of 2 and 1 group of 3. And so you're gonna come up with, somebody is going to be the presenter in the group, and you're gonna have to, we don't have to come up here, you can just kind of be the presenter, but you're gonna work together kind of quietly on why your group should win the reward that I will bring, okay? So, Cassandra, you are going to work with Victor, okay? Do you wanna work with Raul?
What?
Raul, you wanna work with her? Okay, why didn't you